Martin, an innovative solution for cleaning tanks.
The Martin robotic unit consists of 3 mobile units: the cleaning unit, the oil sludge processing unit, and the auxiliary equipment transportation unit.
It takes just 3 hours for 4 people to install the unit, and there's no need for a crane or tractor equipment during installation work. The unit is powered by a 200 kilowatt diesel generator. The robot is fire and explosion safe and can be operated 24 hours a day in any climate conditions. It's controlled remotely by an operator using the monitoring and lighting systems installed on the robot. The Martin unit can be configured to meet the requirements of the customer and can clean any type of tank with a hatch manhole diameter starting from 500 millimeters. The unit benefits from 4-wheel drive, waterproofing and 30 bar pressure at the nozzle outlet. It can recover sludge at a speed of up to 90 cubic meters per hour. All these features guarantee high quality and operational safety, speed and safety of operations, oil returns and reduced volume of recovered oil sludge. Efficient Martin technology in action.